PSAT NMSQT Practice Test 1, Fall 2021, Session 3 No Calculator, Part 1/3, presented by High School Math Analyzer YouTube. In this math session, you will not be allowed to use calculators. You have 25 minutes to do 17 questions. There are 13 multiple choice and 4 written questions. First 8 MC questions. A babysitter earns $8 an hour for babysitting 2 children, an additional $3 tip when both children are put to bed on time. The babysitter gets the children to bed on time. What expression could be used to determine how much the babysitter earned? So you can write this expression as 8x plus 3 equals 2 children's, where x is the amount of hours the babysitter earns for babysitting 2 children each hour. So they earn $8 an hour, and then they receive a $3 tip for 2 children, where number A is the correct answer. If x, y is a solution to the equation above, and y is not equal to 0, what is the ratio of x over y? So you know that this is the equation, and let's start by giving a value to y, like any value you want. I'm going to choose y equals 1. So 3x plus 1 equals 1. You want to distribute 3x plus 3 equals 1 minus 3 on both sides. You get 3x equals negative 2. Divided by 3 on both sides, you get x equals negative 2 over 3. You want to keep it as the ratio x over y, so you get negative 2 over 3 divided by y value, which is 1. Anything divided by 1 is the same value as the number on the top, so the answer would be negative 2 over 3. That's answer number B. Which order pair xy satisfies the system equation above? There are 2 equations here. The second equation is easier to simplify to find the value of x or y. So I'm going to rewrite the second equation. You want to multiply both sides by 8 to get the value of x or y. So x minus y equals 152. You know that 8 times 1/8 is equal to 1, so you get something like this. You want to plus y on both sides to get x by itself. X equals 152 plus y, and then you can use this to plug it in back into the first equation. 1/2, open parentheses, 152 plus y, close parentheses, minus 1/4 y equals 10. So you can distribute right now, and you find that you'll get 76 plus 1/2 y minus 1/4 y equals 10. So what you want to do now is you want to multiply both sides by 4 to get y, basically. So you get 304 plus 2y minus y equals 40. You combine like terms, you get 304 plus y equals 40. And then you can subtract 304 on both sides, and you get y equals negative 264. So this is your y value, and you want to plug in the y value back into this system equation, and you get x equals 152 plus minus 264, and you get that x is equal to negative 112. so it can be written as negative 112 and negative 264. And that gives us the answer choice number A. That's your answer. Triangle ABC above is isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC and BC is equal to 48. The ratio of DE to DF is 5 to 7. What is the length of DC? So this is DC right here. You know that DE to DF is 5 to 7, so 5x, 7x. The base angles in an isosceles triangle are corresponding to the congruent sides. So both these sides are congruent, so that means that these two angles are congruent too. Which means that these angles are also congruent. So you know that these two triangles are similar triangles. So the ratio of these similar triangles is 5 to 7. So BD is 5x. DC is 7x. 5x plus 7x equals 48. And that's equals 12x equals 48. Divide by 12 on both sides, we get x equals 4. We want to plug in 4 back in the DC equation. So 7 times 4 equals 28. And that gives you answer choice number D. In this certain game, a player can solve easy or hard puzzles. A player earns 30 points for solving an easy puzzle and 60 points for solving a hard puzzle. Tina solved a total of 50 puzzles playing this game, earning 1,950 points in total. How many hard puzzles did Tina play? So, let X be the number of easy games she played. Let Y be the number of hard games she played. So you can set up this equation as x plus y equal 50 and 30x plus 60y equals 1,950. So you can multiply the first equation by negative 30 on both sides. And you get negative 30x minus 30y equals negative 1,500. And then you bring your second equation here. And then you want to add these two equations together. And you'll get 30y equals 450. Divide 30 on both sides. You get y equals 15. She played a total amount of 15 hard games, which means that the answer is choice number B. If r and s are two solutions of the equation above, and r is greater than s, which of the following is the value of r minus s? Quadratic equation written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We're asked to find the values of x that satisfy these needs. So let's just rewrite this equation. And then we multiply the value of a to the value of c. So then you can get a better equation that's easier to simplify or factor. So afterwards, you know that negative 30 can be written as 10 and negative 3, which you can write this equation as 2x squared plus 10x and negative 3x and negative 15 equals 0. Now you wanna simplify these two terms. You get 2x parentheses x plus 5 negative 3x plus 5 equals 0. You want to bring these two out and get x plus 5 times 2x minus 3 equals 0. So x plus 5 equals 0. Subtract 5 on both sides, you get x equals to negative 5, and when you do the other value, you get 2x minus 3 equals 0, plus 3 on both sides, and you get 2x equals 3, divide by 2 on both sides, you get x equals 3 over 2. So you're trying to find the value of r minus s, so 3 over 2 minus 5 can be written as 2, negative cancel out, you get positive. 5 can be written as 10 over 2, so 3 over 2 plus 10 over 2, you get 13 over 2, which gets you the answer B. That's your final answer. To cut a lawn, Alan charges a fee of $15 for his equipment and $8.50 per hour spent cutting a lawn. Tyler charges a fee of $12 for equipment and $9.25 per hour spent cutting a lawn. If x represents the number of hours spent cutting a lawn, what are the values of x for which Tyler's total charge is greater than Alan's total charge? So Alan's equation is 8.50x plus 15. And for Tyler's equation, it is 9.25x plus 12. You're trying to find the values of x for which Tyler's total charge is greater than Alan's total charge. So you set Tyler's equation greater than Alan's. So 9.25x plus 12 is greater than 8.50x plus 15. And then you subtract 12 on both sides. 9.25x is greater than 8.50x plus 3. And then you subtract 8.5 on both sides. And you get 0.75x is greater than 3. Divide 0.75 on both sides. And then you'll get your value x is greater than 4, which is answer choice number A. That's your answer. The equation above is used to model the relationship between the number of cups and of hot chocolate sold per day in a coffee shop and the average daily temperature T in degrees Fahrenheit. According to the model, what is the meaning of 3 in this equation? So you know that N is the number of cups and T is the temperature. So for every 1 degree Fahrenheit, it gets colder. For every 1 degree Fahrenheit, they sell 3 cups of hot chocolate. So the answer choice would be D.
Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Like, comment, and share this video. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok at High School Math Analyzers. Thanks for watching. We hope this video was helpful to you, and we'll see you in the next one.